Hello and welcome to P Academy. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to bisect a straight line. So the first thing I'm going to do is to draw a line. So I'm going to be drawing a line of 6 centimeters. So this is point A and this is point B. So the next thing we are going to do is to bisect the line. And when we mean bisect, that means to divide it into half, 2 equal parts. So since this is 6 centimeters, so what I can do is I'll pick my ruler and my compass, and I'll measure my compass also to be at 6 centimeters. So this is it. Then from point B, I'll make an arc at the top and below. So the same thing applies to point A. So from point A, make sure you don't adjust the length of the compass. You bisect, you draw the arc. So where these two meet, they meet at this point and at this point. So let's draw it down. And I draw it down. So with this now, we've been able to bisect line AB. So this is the bisector of line AB. So that is how you bisect a straight line. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.